guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and do another Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys today. I got my Stitch Fix when I was out of town on Friday night, so it's Sunday and I am back. So I thought I would do another one for you guys. You guys seem to enjoy the last one, and I actually kind of like doing them on camera so you guys can get like my honest reaction to it. So let's see what we got. I did request that Britt Hanlon style this one because I found her channel while I was searching, trying to conceive channels, and hers came up and I saw that she worked for Stitch Fix, so I wonder if I got her. I won't know till the very end because I don't open that card until the end, so we will see. Okay, I already like the colors that I see. Oh my goodness. I love the color of this sweater. It's kind of like a light, I don't know, like a light brown tan kind of color. I can already tell that I am going to love this. The detail on the front is kind of like a crochet type detail, and the end of the sleeves do have kind of, what do you call that? I forget what you call that, but I like when the sleeves are tighter kind of at the end. And this one, what's happening here? Oh, cute, cute. Okay, so the neckline kind of falls down a little bit. Oh, I love that. I wonder if you can wear this off the shoulder. Cute, cute. I'm interested to see how this fits because I absolutely do love the style of this one. And again, the sleeves have the bunching at the end. Are they called cuffed, maybe? Maybe they're called cuffed sleeves. Ooh, oh my gosh. I actually requested a pair of these, so I'm so excited that I got them. These are velvet leggings. They are a black velvet. You guys can see. Oh, I'm so excited. I've seen a lot of these like in passing and on other people's Stitch Fix openings, and I was like, I have to have a pair of these, so I am so excited. So a black and gray striped sweater. The bottom kind of matches the top. And of course, again, cuff sleeves, which I'm really happy about. I don't really know how I'm gonna look in stripes. I don't wear stripes a whole lot, but I'm definitely interested to try this on just to see how it fits and how it looks on me. Okay. Oh, this is super cute. Okay, so this, it looks kind of like a rain jacket, if you guys can tell. Inside of the hood, there's the gray and white striped. And I'm thinking inside is the same way as well. It has like the double snaps on it. So let's see here. Oh yeah, cute. So the inside is the stripes. It does feel like this would be a really awesome jacket for the springtime that we're about to go into, because obviously it's more rainy and it's not so cold, but again, it's not hot either, so all you need is a light jacket. What was that saying in Miss Congeniality where he asked her to describe her perfect date and she said April 25th because all you need is a light jacket or something? I thought that was so funny. That's what I think about when I think about light jackets. So this is cute, and I love the color blue that it has. And it also has the pull tabs right here where you can kind of pull it and cinch up the waist. So I'm really excited to try this on. I am gonna go ahead and sneak in here and see if I end up getting Britt to style. Let's see. The prices are actually on the other sheet, so let's see. Yep, I did get her, and I'm super excited. I was hoping that putting a comment in there was good enough. So yeah, I'm excited. Thank you, Brittany, for doing my Stitch Fix for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you guys. But in case you're watching this and you're not actually familiar with Stitch Fix, pretty much they just take some clothes, put them in a box and send them to you, but obviously it's not quite that simple. They will do a questionnaire for you on your profile and you pick your body shape, your size. You'll do some kind of trial where you pick outfits you like and what you don't like. And honestly, it's hard for me to go to the store and find clothes because I have a toddler and trying on a bunch of clothes with a toddler running around is just not easy. So it's nice to see something that I like, and then I can go online to my Stitch Fix and request a certain item. For instance, if I needed a new jacket or new work pants, I can just go online and put it in my comment and they will actually send it to you. So actually it's just really nice to not have to always go out. If you need something, you can just put in a comment and try out different styles. I also like it because you can try out different brands as well. So pretty much how it works is every month when your box ships, you pay $20 and they ship the box to you, and then you try on all the clothes in the box, which I'm going to show you, and if you like stuff, you keep it, and if you don't like it, you just send it back. And they do go ahead and give you a envelope like this. The postage is already on there, so all you do is throw it back in the bag and send it off, and it's not a big deal. You have 3 days, so if you like something and want to think about it, you have 3 days. So down below in the description box, I do have a link to Stitch Fix. You don't have to use my referral link. You can just go online to stitchfix.com if you want to. I know that if you do use the referral link that I have down below, they waive your first month styling fee. So your first month styling fee is for free, and they'll just send the box to you. So let's go ahead and try on these clothes. Okay, so here is the first piece, and I tried on the jacket first because I absolutely love this jacket. I think it's so cute. Very like lightweight right out the door. Very kind of spring, I would say, even though it's not the technical spring color trend that you would see. Honestly, I think this is so cute. And it snaps all the way down, and again, they have these. How do you use these? I think you just pull, yeah. So you just pull and it can cinch around your waist, and it definitely feels like it makes it more flattering when you can cinch it. But overall, I really like this. The only thing that I would say about this is the sleeves, because they aren't cinched at the end. They're kind of wide, which that doesn't really bother me at all. So I'm interested to see the price of this one because I really do like it. Okay, here's my favorite sweater of the entire box. I am definitely going to keep this. I love it. I think it is so cute. It's very comfortable. The sleeves are like a perfect fit, not too long, not too short. Here's a close-up of it on. Obviously, I have a tank top on underneath it. And this is going to look really good with like a pair of work pants for work. So yeah, and I love this color. I think this color is just perfect. It's the perfect kind of like neutral tone. Yeah, it's definitely a big plus for me. Okay, so here's the next sweater. I know you can wear it off the shoulder, but I wanted to show you guys it this way first because most likely I would wear it this way because of my job, and I love wearing sweaters to work because the clinics are always so cold. But I love how this one fits. As you guys can tell, it does fit really, really well. And I love the scoop neckline. It kind of gives you some breathing room when you're wearing a sweater. Sometimes it can get a little bit hot. But here's what it looks like. It just gives a nice little view of the bone. Sleeve length, again, is really good. And I'm assuming for like maybe a dinner or something, you could pull it down like this. Obviously, you wouldn't want to be wearing bra straps. But I actually really like it like this too. I think this would actually be really cute with those black leggings. So I'm going to throw those on next. Okay, so here is the last shirt, and I do have the pants, the leggings on with it, but I will turn the camera down in just a minute. So my thoughts on this sweater are that it fits extremely comfortable, and seriously, it's so soft. The sleeve length again is good. I probably will send this back though, just because I don't really like the stripe look on me, and because the other items in the box that I like are both kind of similar like tones. I don't think I'm going to keep all three because it basically would be like me having three kind of things that are too similar. But I do love this sweater. If this was a solid color, I probably would just keep it. Again, I'm just not a stripe person. I think you're either a stripe person or like a polka dot person. I'm definitely more of like a polka dot type person. But I do love the way this fits, and it's definitely very soft and comfortable. Yeah, leggings. These are so cute. I am obsessed with these. These would be so comfortable for work or really for whatever. They're so stinking soft. They're a really good length. If you guys are wondering, they do come up. My belly button's about right here. So I'm assuming they're like high-waisted or tummy control leggings. But I'm sure you can also fold this down and have it just around your waist if that's what you prefer. But yes, I really love these leggings as well. After I do my kind of Stitch Fix opening and I try it on, I will sort the items out into like a yes, maybe, and no. I'll turn you guys over here so you can see. So I have them over here in the kind of way that I have. I definitely am keeping the two, the first sweater I tried on, which is this one. I love it. Like, it's not going anywhere. And I'm definitely going to keep the the black velvet leggings because I wanted them so badly. In my maybe pile, I have the jacket and the off the shoulder or scoop neck sweater. And then again, no for this one, even though I do like the way it fit. I'm just not a big fan of the pattern on there. So your pricing will come in an envelope like this, and it will list out all of the items like so. Now the $20 fee that you pay for them to style just goes as a credit towards whatever you buy for that month. So, okay, so it has all the items laid out. So I will tell you the price of everything. For the blue kind of spring light jacket, it is by the brand 41 Hawthorne, and it's $78. The gray kind of scoop neck sweater, let's see what brand is on here. It's by the brand Sophie Rue. This one is $42. The black leggings that I love so much are $48. And then this sweater that I love, again, so much is $48. And then this striped, yes, it says on here the brand is Pink Clover, but the tag on here says Staccato, so I'm not exactly sure if they're the same thing or whatever the case is. This one is $42. So the subtotal for everything in this box would be $258, but if you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount minus your styling fee. Then I also have a $25 credit on here. If you have people that sign up, like your friends, you tell them about it and they sign up with your referral code, you get $25 off for each person that signs up. So if I were to get everything in this box and apply my $20 off and $25 credit, I would spend $148. But again, sometimes if you like 3 items, it's actually cheaper just to buy the whole box than it is just 3 items because you get that huge discount. So I'm going to go ahead and calculate out what I want, and I'll be back to let you guys know what I decide. Okay, so I went through everything and made a decision. Actually, surprisingly enough, I'm going to send this one back and the jacket back. I love the jacket, to be honest. The sleeves being loose, I just don't know how that would really work for me because I am such a weirdo about having the sleeves kind of tighter and not just so open. So I'm going to send these 2 back, and then I also decided to send these back. I just thought about it, and you guys who follow me on my channel normally know that I'm probably going to be pregnant soon, hopefully, after we go through IVF. And I don't know how that would work with these leggings, just because of the way this waist is. So I don't want to end up ruining them by trying to wear them if I was too big, and I know if I had these, I would want to wear them all the time. So I think I'm just going to wait on these, even though I love them so much and it's hard to send anything back, to be honest. I'm like, I don't think I want to. But I think, like, practically, I'm not going to be able to wear them, but maybe for like a month or 2. And since we're getting into spring now, I'm trying to be like, maybe I should get clothes that are more springy. But I am going to keep these 2 sweaters because my office is always cold at work. So, and I love these sweaters. I love how they fit. And typically when I get sweaters, I wear them for years and years and years. So I am going to keep these 2. So I'm going to just bag up these and send them back in my envelope, which is right here. And again, if you see this, Britt, thanks so much for selling my Stitch Fix. And again, guys, if you're interested in doing Stitch Fix, I do have the link below, or you can just go to stitchfix.com. If you're like me and don't like to go to the store and just shop with your kids running around, then it's definitely a good option for you guys. But that's it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.